Okay, hello. This is my first video and I'm going to be opening up eggs. The thing I got can only do 3 minutes, so I might as well well, I'm gonna open some eggs. Oh, and this is Pet Simulator Z, by the way. If you're wondering how I have that many. And first time we got Blue Max. I have no idea why I did that. Trying to get the Titanic monkey. So I might have to make a part 2. Maybe part 3, maybe part 4, maybe part 5, maybe part 6. I'm also 10, so I'm new to this. And we got a balloon dragon. Let's open up 8 of these. Next time I'm probably going to be using an auto click. Because why not? And also, I do not have enough to afford this, so thank God Pet Simulator Z. Okay. I wonder what we're gonna get. Golden blue, nice.